What's going on, everyone? In today's video we're gonna be unboxing the 1TB brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max, and also we're gonna be unboxing the new iPad 9th generation. Let's start with the unboxing. Alright guys, we're gonna start unboxing this iPhone, then we're gonna do the iPad. So let's see. As you can see, this box is similar to the iPhone 12 Pro Max box. So you can see it's the same size, it looks almost the same. Wow, the cameras are big on this phone. Damn! First of all, let's see all the accessories that we are getting with this phone. Alright, so here we have the lightning cable, so we are not getting the power adapter. And right here we have the user guide, the sticker, the tool to remove the SIM card and all that. So that's it. Okay, now let's take a look at this phone. Let's remove that from the screen to see it really good. Wow, guys, look at this. Yo, I'm surprised with this camera, honestly. So if we do a comparison right now between these two cameras, the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPhone 13 Pro Max, you can see the difference right away. And I know the cameras on the iPhone 13 Pro Max are a lot better than the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but overall they are similar, guys. The only difference right here between these two phones is the SIM card tray. On the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the SIM card tray is closer to the volume down, you see. On the other side, it's the same. We are getting the power button, the same size, same location. This design right here too. On the bottom, they are looking the same, the charging port and the speaker system. And the new iPhone is also heavier than the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but not like, you notice if you are looking the different, you know what I mean? So it's not something, it's not a big deal though. It feels really good on your hands. Another difference right here is the notch. As you can see, the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the notch is smaller than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So that's another difference. So that means on the iPhone 13, the screen looks bigger because the notch doesn't cover, a lot of area on the screen. But they are the same size though. The screen on this phone is 6.7 inches. The resolution 1284 by 2778. Wow, that's good. The resolution is really good, the pixels. So it also has the extra protection, ceramic shield. It's like another protection on top of the screen. If you drop your iPhone, the rear screen might not break, you know what I mean? So that's something really good. The screen on this phone is scratch resistant, water resistant, and dust resistant. This iPhone already has the iOS 15 and the new chip A15 Bionic. So this phone is really fast, guys. This phone is available on different capacity, 128GB internal storage, then 256GB internal storage. The next one, 512GB, and the last one, guys, is 1TB. That's the most powerful phone when you are talking about internal space. It also has a new feature, ProMotion display, that make your iPhone screen look smoother and brighter. So it's something that the iPhone 12 Pro Max doesn't have. And if I'm not mistaken, I think the other iPhone 13 also have that feature. We are getting a bigger battery, better screen resolution, and overall the best iPhone camera. Guys, on this phone, we are getting the best camera ever. All three cameras on the back are 12 megapixel, including the selfie camera is also 12 megapixel. So you can record video 4K, 24, 30, or 60 frames per second. Wow, including the selfie camera. So with the selfie camera, you can record video at 4K, 24, 25, 30, or 60 frames per second. That's unbelievable. That's something amazing. Now let's talk about the battery. This phone has a 4373 mAh battery, so that's the capacity. We never have a battery so powerful like this one. So we are getting the most powerful battery that all iPhone have. On the right side on this phone we have the power button. On the other side we have the vibration switch, volume up, volume down, and SIM card slot. On the bottom it has the charging port, speaker system, so we are not getting the 3.5 headphone jack port. You also have 4 colors to choose from: graphite, gold, silver, and the brand new Sierra Blue. That is this one, guys. I love this color. It looks really different. It looks really nice. I also have the iPhone 12 Pro Max on blue color, but I like more the new one. Maybe I'm tired to see, you know, this color already. When this came out, it was my favorite. Now, guys, I think I'm switching to this color. It looks like the same, but it's a little bit different though. Now let's unbox this iPad. This one is the 9th generation iPad. I paid for this one like $330. I was surprised that they have a brand new iPad for that price, $330. Look at this. Hold on, let's see what we got in the box first. Oh, finally, guys, we are getting the, look at this, this is gold right now. We are getting the charger adapter Type-C. So I'm gonna use this one to charge my phone. This one is a fast charger. And we are also getting the lightning cable. I'm so happy for this, you don't wanna know. So here we have the user guide. Let's see, okay, 2 stickers. On the iPhone, we only got 1. And here we have, yeah, the user guide. Okay. This iPad is perfect for kids. Wow, the screen is 10.2 inches. Look at the back. I love it. Wow, the microphone, you notice right away that it's there. So it's a big hole right on the back, but it looks nice though. Look at this, guys. Look at this baby. Let's turn it on right away to see how it looks, the resolution and all that. This iPad has a 10.2 inches display. The resolution 1620 by 2160. Yeah, you can tell. I love the resolution of this iPad. So the screen is also scratch resistant and dust resistant. So it already has the iOS 15. The chip on this iPad is the A13 Bionic. So it doesn't have the 15, the A15 Bionic chip. It has the A13 Bionic chip. That is still good because the price, guys, $330 for a new iPad is really good, you know. And the good thing about that is that this iPad has the new iOS system, you know, the 15. So that's something amazing. You can download any app is compatible with this iPad, and it's available on different capacity, 64 GB or 256 GB. So this one is 64 GB. So maybe for that reason I just paid $330. If you get the one that has 256, it might be more, you know what I mean? The main camera on this iPad is 8 megapixel. And the selfie camera 12 megapixel. It have the 3.5 headphone jack, stereo speaker, and all that. Alright guys, that's it for today. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a full in-depth review of this phone and the iPad. So make sure that you are subscribed with the notification turned on so that you don't miss it. See you in my next video.